You probably think of a seashell as a pretty, harmless ornament you'd find on a beach. A dead, empty, beautiful little rock. You see the intricate geometric patterns, the beautiful colors, and you think treasure. But what if I told you one of the most beautiful, intricate-looking shells in the entire ocean isn't an ornament? It's a loaded weapon? This is the cone snail. And it's not a peaceful, slow-moving grazer. It's a high-tech patient assassin. It's an animal that found a way to hunt fish, creatures that move thousands of times faster than it does, by evolving one of the most bizarre and terrifying weapons on Earth. This snail has a venomous harpoon, a biological hypodermic missile that it fires to kill. And its venom is so complex, so potent, that it's become one of the most deadly and feared animals in the ocean. The answer is simple, and it's a masterpiece of brutal, evolutionary logic, because it's a snail. Think about it. You're a soft-bodied, slow-motion creature. Your top speed is, at best, a few meters an hour. You are, for all intents and purposes, a rock that can barely move. But you're a predator. You need to eat fish. How do you, a creature that's basically a muscular foot, hunt one of the fastest, most agile animals in the sea? A fish's reaction time is measured in milliseconds. Your reaction time is measured in minutes. You can't chase it. You can't outsmart it. It's an impossible biological problem. The fish is gone before you've even processed it's there. This is an evolutionary arms race where the snail had only one choice: develop a weapon so fast and so lethal that the fish is dead before it even knows it's been hit. It's a weapon of absolute instant paralysis, and that's where the harpoon comes in. This isn't a tooth in the way you and I think of a tooth. This is a radula, a part of a snail's feeding system that, over millions of years, has been modified into a single, hollow, needle-sharp spear. It's a disposable, hypodermic missile, and the snail grows a whole quiver of them, keeping them stored in a sack, ready to be loaded one by one. Each harpoon is grooved, perfectly designed to channel a liquid payload. When the cone snail senses a fish, it's not a chase. It's a setup. First, the snail extends a long, fleshy tube called a proboscis. This is the sniper barrel. It slowly, carefully, aims this proboscis at the unsuspecting fish, sometimes waiting for minutes, perfectly still. Then, in a fraction of a second, the snail uses an intense blast of internal hydraulic pressure to fire the harpoon out of the proboscis at high velocity. The harpoon, connected by a thin stalk, impales the fish, and the real weapon is deployed. Because the harpoon is just the delivery system, the real nightmare is what's inside it. This isn't one simple venom. It's a complex chemical cocktail of hundreds, sometimes thousands, of different toxins called conotoxins. And this venom is not designed to kill the fish. Not at first. It's designed to paralyze it instantly. The second the harpoon hits, the venom floods the fish's system. It's a chemical blitzkrieg. Some toxins are blockers. They instantly shut down the ion channels in the fish's nerves and muscles, cutting the connection between its brain and its body. It's like flipping a switch. One moment the fish is swimming, the next it is a lifeless statue, completely unable to move. But this is where it gets really creepy. Scientists who study the venom have found that different cone snails use different cocktails for different prey. Some species, like the geography cone, have a venom so potent it's nicknamed the cigarette snail. The dark legend is that if you're stung, you have just about enough time to smoke a single cigarette before you die. Other species that hunt fish have developed a venom that is a Nirvana cocktail. This blend of toxins doesn't just paralyze the fish, it actually includes chemicals that calm the fish, sending it into a state of hypnotic sedation. The fish is literally paralyzed and pacified at the same time, so it doesn't even struggle or feel the panic of being caught. It's a chemical weapon of shock and awe, shutting down the fish's body and mind simultaneously. The hunt is slow, methodical, and terrifying. The snail senses the fish. The proboscis extends. It waits, fires. The fish freezes, instantly paralyzed, floating in a calm, toxin-induced stupor. And then, the snail, still moving in slow motion, slowly reels in its prey. It pulls the now helpless fish back towards its mouth using the harpoon stalk and swallows the fish whole, where it will be digested alive. It's one of the most sophisticated, high-tech weapons in all of nature, and it's attached to a snail. So the next time you're on a tropical beach and you see a beautiful, intricately patterned shell, maybe just don't pick it up. You're not looking at a treasure, you're looking at a loaded weapon. It's a perfect, terrifying reminder that in the ocean, the most beautiful things are often the most deadly. And the cone snail is the ultimate proof that you don't need speed to be the perfect predator. You just need a missile launcher. Thanks for watching.